Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, today we are making these gorgeous sleeping pants and a top. We are going to use 1.5 yard of this floral material. It's very colorful. So guys, please, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and you can also pause by clicking the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. And please, you can also comment, let me know what you think about today's tutorial. Like I said, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and let's get started now with our tutorial. So we are cutting it all together, the front piece and the back piece. So now I'll take the width of my pant first. Is on 12 inch, okay? So the length is by 15 inch. All right, so I will just mark 15 inch on both sides. All right, and my waistband for the elastic is 1.5 inch. All right, we are using elastic for it, and you can get that from where they are selling tailoring material. You can get the elastic from there. It's very affordable. All right, so I will just give a straight line for my waistband, and we are adding elastic on it. So now I'll take my hip measurement. So my hip is 36 inch. Okay, so I'll continue to mark 36 inch for my hip. All right, so guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. All right, so now I will take my crotch, which is 9 inch. Okay, so I'll mark 9 inch for that. So after marking the 9 inch, then I'll give a curve for it. Okay, so that's the crotch, which is 9 inch. All right, so I'll draw a straight line. So after that, we just give a curve for it. Okay, so my ankle is 11.5 inch. All right, so it's 11.5 inch for my ankle. Okay, so I'll just keep on marking, then I'll connect all the marks together. So I'm using 36 inch all through. Why? The reason is because I'm going to use elastic on the waistband. Okay, so I'm using 36 all through for the measurement because we are using elastic for the waist. All right, so after measuring it, after marking everything, so the next step is for us to cut it out. You can see that the style is very simple. This is the simplest way to cut your pants. It's very easy. All you need to do is for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut it out. And after watching this particular tutorial, I believe you'll be able to cut your own after watching it. Okay, it's very simple style, and it's very easy for you to understand. It's not difficult for you to cut it on your own. So just follow the procedure that we use in cutting it. So guys, like I said, the waist, we are going to add elastic on it, and your elastic, you can get it from where they are selling tailoring material, and it's also very affordable. All right, so guys, we'll take it to the machine and we'll run a stitch on it, then we iron it. Okay, so now you can see that I'm showing you guys how to run your stitch on it. So you run your stitch on it like that. Okay, so once you run your stitch on it, then you iron it. The next step is for you to just add your elastic on it. So you can see that I've ironed it and I've already run my stitch on it, but at the bottom I've not finished running the stitch on it. Okay, so this is where we are going to add our elastic on the waist. So you just use your safety pin. You can see I'm spreading it for you to see. So this is how you just take it to your machine. I'm using my pin to pin it down. This is how you just take it to your machine and you sew it. You run your stitch on it at the bottom. Okay, so this is how to run your stitch on it. I'm using my pin to pin it to show you this is how you should pin it after cutting it. Then you take it to your machine and run your stitch on it and your pants will be ready. After running your stitch on it, the next step is for you to just add your elastic on it, and I'm going to also teach you guys how to do that. So now we have run our stitch on it already, both the upper side and the bottom of it. So this is how to use your elastic to run your waistband. Just for you to use your elastic, then you use your safety pin, then you use it to pass through the waist of your pants, and your pants will be ready. So this is how to go about it. Like I said before, the style is not too difficult, it's not hard, just for you to follow the procedure that we use in cutting it. And after watching it, you'll be able to cut and sew it on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now, please. You can like, comment, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this particular tutorial and learn from it. And if you have any question, you can also ask me. I'm here for you guys. I'm going to also respond to your question. Okay, so another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch my tutorials down to the end. Like this particular one, please watch it down to the end because it's going to help this channel to grow. So keep on watching this tutorial because we are going to cut the upper side, which is the top. It's an off shoulder top. It's going to have a stripe sleeve on it, so we are going to cut it out together. Okay, so we are cutting now. We are passing the elastic on the waist of our pants. You can see how neat the pants came out. Very simple, and you can use it to sleep. You can use it as your sleeping wear. You can make it on your own. All right, so now this is the top that we are going to use to wear our pants. It's an off shoulder top that we are making. Okay, so the length of my top is 20 inch, and guys, you know we are making off shoulder top, so you have to remove from your tape rule. So I removed 6 inch. Okay, so the neck of my top is 3.5 inch, while the depth of my neck is 2 inch, and the width that we used is 10 inch. Okay, all right, so I'll just give a curve for the neckline. All right, the front neckline is a V neckline and the back is round neck. So the bust is 34 inch. All right, so my armhole I used 1 inch for that, and you add your sewing allowance, and now is my waist measurement, which is 26 inch. Okay, so then you add your sewing allowance. All right, then the sewing allowance is 2 inch, so just connect everything together. So after connecting it, then we are going to cut it out. So after cutting it out, we take it to the machine and run a stitch on it, and our top will be ready. Don't forget, it's going to have a small stripe sleeve on it. So the back of our neckline is a round neck at the back, while the front is V neckline. All right, so please keep on watching this tutorial so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. It's a very simple style that you can cut on your own. Just follow the procedure that we are using in cutting it, and you'll be able to cut your own after watching it. So I'll just pull it out because I want to cut the front neckline, which is the V. So I'll just pull the back out and cut the V neckline. It's a small V neckline. All right, so guys, keep on watching it to see the outcome of this style we are making. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the neckline, guys. So now is our stripe sleeve that we are making now. So the length that we are using for this stripe sleeve is 13 inch. Remember, we have removed 6 inch before for the off shoulder. So when you add everything together, it should give you that 13 inch. So the width is 1.5 inch, and we are cutting the two stripe sleeve together. So after cutting it, I'll take it to the machine and run a stitch on it, then iron it, then we'll now attach it to the body of the main top that we are making. It's a very simple style that we are making today. All right, so you can see the outcome of the style that we just finished making now. Very beautiful. You can see the pants. You can wear it and sleep, and the top too is a very simple one also. Please, thank you for watching, and guys, don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about today's tutorial. Thank you so much. I love you all. Please, you can check my other tutorial now.